It's time! Ah, ha, ha, ha. Before, we had the jalapeno popper cracked chicken. And now, enough people sent me the actual jalapeno popper grilled cheese recipe that I get to officially try it. I am really excited to try this one out because it did sound super awesome when I was looking at how they make it. We got our nice ingredients here. Let me just go over everything so you can see. So, starting off, we have our fresh jalapenos that I got from the store. We got some nice hickory smoked bacon. They didn't have any Monterey Jack cheese that the recipe calls for, so instead I got some nice, if you can even see that, some Gouda cheese. So we have that. And what else? We got our cream cheese. I couldn't find any Italian style bread, but I found some artisano Sara Lee, if you can see. Loaf. It looks pretty good, so I'd like to try that one. And then, of course, our Irish cream butter. And before I forget, our total for all of these things, I bought enough to make like 4 or 5 of these sandwiches. Our total is $15.66, so not even that bad for something that's gonna turn out really, really good. So I'm excited. So the first thing we need to do is get our jalapenos prepared and also cook the bacon. So let me get that going. The oven is on 400 for the bacon. Since the recipe says that the jalapenos should cook at 375, that means that I'll have to put them in for a little less time than what it asks for, which is fine. I'll just have to watch them so that they don't burn. As for the bacon, this will go in for about 17 minutes, which should make them mostly crispy, but still a little bit chewy, so they're not burnt like the last time I tried to do this. But we'll see. Ugh. Man down. I guess we'll see in a sec. Spicy. Let's try not to burn myself on bacon grease. Whew. One more. I don't know if this is considered done. I mean, they look okay. Add somewhere to fit these. So this bacon was a different brand that I used last time, so I ended up having to put it in for more time, about 21 minutes instead of 17. But they look just about how I wanted them, so that works out for me. Of course, all ovens vary, so good luck trying to mimic what I'm doing here. Especially on the electric oven. So I'm going to start by buttering the 2 slices of bread. That way the butter can kind of get room temperature so it's easier to spread around. And then we'll start building this up. Here comes the easy part. We just stack all of our ingredients. And there it is, jalapeno popper grilled cheese. Only the best. The recipe also said you could include cilantro on there if you wanted to put some of that in there. But who would taint a perfectly good grilled cheese sandwich with the devil's lettuce? Well, here we are once again. Time for me to eat my favorite thing in the whole world. I'm so excited to try this. I've been looking at this recipe for so long, you have no idea. Oh, yes. All right, well, thanks for joining me. Feel free to try this if you want to have some too.